the scene without translation.
すみません。私は
死の森から生きて戻ったことを悔いておるのじゃの。
With translation,
すみません。私は
死の森から生きて戻ったことを悔いておるのじゃの。
and now let's break it down. The first word is sumimasen. Sumimasen means sorry or excuse me. For example, 本当にすみません. 本当に means truly or really. It could also be used as excuse me. So let's say you're in the street and you want to ask someone, what time is it? You would say, すみません. 今何時ですか? 今 means now and nanji, what time. We're not gonna go through watashi because it's really obvious and it's mean I. The next word is shinomori, which is an imaginary place that exists in Naruto anime. It means death first. Let's make a phrase with the word shinomori. Shinomori wa jitsuzai no basho de wa nai. Shinomori, the death first, is not a real place. Jitsuzai, real. Basho, place. Shinomori wa jitsuzai no basho de wa nai. Shinomori wa jitsuzai no basho de wa nai. This first is not a real place. The next word is kara, which means from. This word is usually, but not always, combined by another word, made, which means to or until. For example, ここから家まで3分ぐらいです。ここから from here, 家まで to house, 3分ぐらい around 3 minutes. This is a state of being, so it takes around 3 minutes to go home from here. ここ here, 家 house, 分 minute, ぐらい around. 分 is a single and also plural at the same time. Next word is 生きろ to live. For example, その虫はまだ生きている。その that 虫 bug まだ still 生きている is still living. その虫はまだ生きている。The bug is still alive. The next one is 戻る which means to come back. For example, すぐに戻ります。I'll shortly come back. すぐに means shortly or immediately. The next one is こと。こと has so many ways to be used, so let's just know in the meantime it means a thing or a matter. It can be used by putting the verb in the top form or in the plain form and then add koto to change the verb into a noun. For example, the verb taberu, which means to eat, tabeta koto or taberu koto means eating. And my favorite example is 日本語を話すことができます。日本語 Japanese 話すこと speaking. Ga is a particle to clarify the subject. Dekiru means to can or to have the ability. Dekimasu is the conjugation of dekiru. The next one is koiru, which means to regret. For example, たくさんお菓子を食べてこいています。たくさん a lot, お菓子 sweets, 食べる means to eat. たくさんのお菓子を食べてこいています。I regret eating a lot of sweets. Let's hear it one more time.
すみません。私は
死の森から生きて戻ったことを悔いておるのじゃの。
死の森から生きて戻ったこと。死の森から from this first 生きて戻ったこと coming back alive. こいてあるの Aro means to be, so there's regret. And no at the end of the sentence clarifies the reason. So the Hokage here tell her that he can understand the reason that she is sorry that she and came back alive. And Jana is an old way of saying isn't it or is it true? You will hear this Jana used a lot by old anime characters. And that's it. Thanks for watching.